Most men think women notice height, jawline, or money first, but that's not true. What women really notice almost instantly are your habits, your energy, the way you carry yourself before you ever say a word. And if you master these habits, you become the man she notices the second you walk into a room. The first habit is what I call centered presence. It's when you move calmly, breathe naturally, and walk like you know exactly where you're going. You're not trying to get attention, but somehow the room pays attention anyway. Women pick up on this instantly. A relaxed posture, grounded steps, and a calm expression signal one thing: this man is in control of himself. And that kind of presence is far more attractive than anything you can shout or show off. The second habit is micro-leadership. This doesn't mean being bossy or controlling. It's the small choices that show confidence, like speaking clearly when you order food, opening a door because you want to, or guiding a conversation smoothly without dominating it. Women admire men who lead without performing because it shows maturity and quiet confidence. Next is intentional eye contact. Most men avoid eye contact with attractive women because they get nervous. But the man who can look, hold for a second, and give a subtle, confident smile stands out immediately. It's not creepy, it's not aggressive, it's simply presence. It communicates, I see you, I'm not intimidated, and I'm not desperate either. That tiny moment is often all it takes for her to notice you. Another powerful habit is silent grooming. No bragging, no showing off, just clean, well-maintained appearance. A fresh haircut, clean skin, trimmed nails, a subtle signature scent, and clothes that fit properly. Discipline is attractive. And when a woman sees that you take care of yourself without making a big deal out of it, she notices. Then there's calmness under social pressure. In group settings, most guys try to be loud or funny to get attention. But the man who stays composed, speaks when he wants to, and doesn't fight for the spotlight becomes the most magnetic person in the room. Women are biologically wired to seek emotional stability, and your calm energy tells her that you won't crumble when things get difficult. And finally, the habit of purpose. A man with purpose moves differently. There's a quiet intensity behind him, a direction. He's not trying to impress anyone because he's focused on something bigger than validation. Women notice this instantly. Purpose creates gravity, and gravity is irresistible. If you want more content that helps you become the most magnetic, confident version of yourself, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We're leveling up together, one habit at a time.